Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jaini Gandhi. If this is the very first video that you're watching, then you are in here for a treat. I'm going to be doing a video on who knows me better. This is my husband, Vaibhav Gandhi. He knows me for 17, 18 years, and that's my sister. And she knows me for 37 years. I'm just counting back how old I am and need to minus 2 years from her. And everything that you say, do, can be used against you in the video. There are going to be 10 questions, okay? I have my answers written, so no one can cheat. I hope you have your pen and paper. When I give you the question, you'll get time to answer. They're not like big answers, 1 word, 2 word. Basically, I don't want you to cheat after one person says the answer, then you will change your answer. Okay? Now we don't have a buzzer like the Karan Johar show, so we'll do what? E, oo, ah, whatever. Whoever does that sound first gets the first chance to answer, and then the second person will answer, and then depending on what my answer is, you'll be scored. We begin.
Yep.
It's on recording. Let's start. Okay, since this is a YouTube question, the first question is, how many subscribers do I have right now on YouTube? The closest one wins. Okay, Vaibhav, you be first, but don't say right now. Shruti, right? No, this is... Abhi, if you want privilege of doing a video with me, you should know na, at least how many people hopefully will watch this.
Should I show my answer?
Wait, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, put your book up so we know you're saying the right thing. Both of you.
1100.
Okay.
See, I am so good. I think that my sister has 7,000 followers.
Then why 7,000? Then why not 1 lakh subscribers or 2 lakh? Why
It
7,000?
will happen. Gradually, it will happen.
Okay, Vaibhav wins. I'm at 1137 as of
What is
now.
this?
God, matlab, this was a 1,000 subscriber thing and 100 video thing. Shruti, you lost the first one.
It's okay. We'll see.
When they will listen to the rules, they will know that the husband was right this time.
See?
In the history of every
Only 200, 250 people watch these videos. It's not like a big public that's going to. What is my biggest fear?
E.
Okay, Shruti gets first E. Paper batao, paper. Vaibhav, show paper. Shruti, show paper.
Okay, my handwriting. Wait, I'm writing down.
तो E क्यों कर रही हो?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm writing. Drowning.
No. Death of a loved one and then being alone.
Okay.
No, drowning.
Okay, Shruti gets 0. I'm not afraid of drowning. I can swim.
No, you can't go underwater. You are scared of underwater.
Yeah, but I'm not fearful of my death. Okay, Vaibhav gets 1 point. Fearful of death of a loved one. What's
That's
the
a
point
very
of
deep
listening to so many Instagram stories and all? But खाली flip થાય છે. કોઈ સાંભળો.
This is the proof that the husband is listening.
Only 4 question.
and
Excuse me.
listening.
There are 6 more to go. Next one. What was my first salary?
E.
Hey, but you have to write.
Yeah, I'm writing.
No, write and then do E.
500 rupees.
No, what, this less?
Tuition. She took tuitions when she was...
I don't consider that as first income, okay? Her first income was when she joined some CA firm.
No, but that
Of
was
course,
her
yes, no,
income.
tuition is not income. Tuition is part-time pocket money, okay?
Okay.
No.
Okay, even if you count tuition, you are wrong. Even if you count that first CA firm, you are wrong. I knew this. I preempted this, so I wrote both. In tuition, I earned 1,200 rupees a month. And my first internship, in fact, more than 1,200. I only remember 2 students, but I know I had 3. So I think 1,700, but 1,200 is something that I'm sure of. And my first CA thing was 3,500.
So both of us
What conjuice people you were working with?
What? You did MBA, still your first salary was 7,500.
No, that was before MBA.
Before MBA. Both of you? This has to be
People
minus
were-
points. I'm just being nice and giving 0.
I'm heartbroken that you earned more than I did. When I started taking tuitions, I got 400 rupees. I was giving you credit, but
Tuition is
1200.
pocket
Hey,
money.
don't worry. That's why I have decided not to earn more now, so you don't get more heartbreak. Okay. 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 Ready for next question?
Yes, 6. Yes.
Who was my first crush? Not who had crush on me. Who was my first crush? Write it down, and Vaibhav,
I wrote.
I don't think
But
you know.
I forgot
I
his
know.
name. Who was your first? Okay, let me see. Okay, E.
बताओ तेरा पेपर बताओ.
I hope he's not watching the video. I hope he's not watching the video because I have written
But-
something which is non-controversial.
But even
Oh, I
Sonal
can't
told
see you.
But even Sonal told me that I thought that Nisarg had a crush on you and you had a crush on Nisarg, but it never was. My friends just used to tease me. Okay, so there are 2 answers for this. I'll give half.
Who was
point
that other
to
guy in
Vaibhav.
college? I don't remember his name.
Bhagwan, school पण होय. सच्चे यार, Shruti is going to fail
School, I
this.
don't know. School, I don't know. College, I know.
Okay, so obviously film stars there was Amir Khan because I had posters my friend used to give, and then there was this boy Jhoto Asato. इतनी तो पॉपुलर न थी तो चाल से एक खबर ट्यूशन में there was this boy Rakesh. I thought my first crush तो मतलब I skewed some questions for some people to
Oh,
win.
chance, I don't remember school crushes.
Cheh. Okay. What would I be if not an image consultant? Right first. Shruti is going to disconnect के मैंने कहा
I'm going to lose this badly, I know for sure.
अरे जी आवाज है ना.
Fashionista everything. Or, see, I scribbled dancer also, I don't know why. You don't
क्या
even...
मैं डांसर क्या रे करियो जे.
Exactly. But I just wrote. Can I write 5 more options?
Okay, both of you are getting half points.
What is
One you are
Gigi
right
Hadid?
and one you are right. I have written
Fashionista.
something to do with voice or fashion.
So Gigi wrote voice?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that is
voiceover
so
artist.
artist.
When did she want to become a voiceover artist? This I never know.
What are my favorite ice cream flavors? So I have 3 favorite ice cream flavors. What are they? Okay,
Do we get
down.
options for this?
Write down.
I've written.
She did.
But I wrote!
Her show.
Yeah, I wrote. Yes, I'm showing. Wait, let me write. And forget the spelling, I'm just writing.
What is the meaning of E?
Chocolate and butterscotch. What did he write?
Mango and chocolate.
No, pan. I want to change my butterscotch to pan. Chocolate and pan.
I'm going to give you 5 more seconds. Think and change your answer. Otherwise, both are losing.
Is chocolate correct? Please tell us.
I don't know. Right? I'm giving 5 more seconds. Because both
Okay, E. Okay, chocolate and pan. What did Jiju write?
Okay, who did E first?
Me.
Okay, so my 3 favorite flavors of ice cream are pan, tutti frutti, and chocolate, but it has to be cake, like chocolate cake or
Yeah, chocolate. Chocolate, it's done. Chocolate.
Jamie, I wrote tutti frutti and pan.
No, liar. When did you write?
But Shruti did
What
E.
is-
But
What is
Shruti,
Shruti's
One
answer?
point.
Shruti
What
wrote
is
chocolate
Shruti
and pan.
Chocolate and pan. I wrote chocolate and pan.
I realized the point system was bad. I should have just done it. Okay, this is interesting. And this, I think, Vaibhav will win. I just have a feeling.
That's not fair. Change the question right away.
Okay. If I would be on any reality show, which one would I be on? Just describe the show, if not the name.
E.
No, me.
E. Should I say?
No. Did you write
Actually,
Vaibhav?
we have to write.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here.
Show you.
Okay, show. What has Vaibhav written?
Sugar Rush Bake Decoration.
And Shruti, Coffee with Karan.
Coffee
Both
with
you are wrong. Sugar Rush is not a reality show, and Coffee with Karan is also like no, but
Oh.
both of you are
Big
wrong.
Boss.
Oh,
Wrong.
can I
Big
take
Boss.
Wrong. No change now. Both of you 0.
Kim Kardashians?
Yeah, I
Living
would,
with the
like, I would
Kardashians.
like to be part of Kim Kardashian or the Real Housewife franchisee.
See, I forgot the reality
Now
part.
forget it. That is the cringe reality I watch. I don't watch any other things.
I don't even know this. Okay, yeah.
What's
Next.
the point of following me on Instagram? I constantly write the cringe.
Because I'm
Very
because
bad.
I'm your sister. I have to follow.
Blocking. Block. What is something I absolutely can't stand?
E.
How can you just say E letter?
And there are so many things that you can't stand.
No,
One.
but
What is
should
your
I give?
answer? Show.
One.
Show your answer.
I should
bring your
answer?
focus. Yes, please. Show, Baba. Yeah, yes, correct, absolutely. And you dislike so many things.
I dislike so many things. What? Okay. What?
MCPs, hypocrisy.
No. Pretentious
No.
people, hypocrites,
Yeah,
hypocrites,
exactly.
pretentious, wannabes, people who are not MCPs, male chauvinist pigs. Jenny, should I continue or this will make you sound too uptight?
Point for both of us. Chalo, next.
Lucky me na, I'm not even counting anymore.
Jenny, who-
My answer was fake people and people who can't take a stand or anything.
Okay, so I get the right answer.
Okay, I think
Okay.
last question. Okay, last.
Yes.
And now this to Vaibhav is going to win only because I thought my first crush I'll give Shruti the point. This one I'll give Vaibhav, but okay.
You have a latest crush also?
Who is my current crush?
I don't know this.
Yeah,
I'm gonna write still.
I know you don't know, but I don't know if Vaibhav also knows her. Hey, Sulakyush?
Jiju. Jiju.
I have better things in life.
I am just writing, okay?
हाँ, कितला लोगों
How many? How many?
I don't know if you can see this. Wait.
The 29 year from no, not Paxton Yoshida.
Oh,
Oh, thank God you lose. Okay, what is the answer?
Thank God you lose. Okay, Paxton Yoshida, I just say because he's like acting as a 17-year-old, but he's actually 30 years old. So I keep on saying Paxton Yoshida, but no. Dr. Spencer Reed from Criminal Minds.
I have not even. Okay. Okay, but Jiju loses on this question.
So
So it's
this was fun. You both win like I don't know what. But
I win.
Vaibhav more
I'm
fun.
writing
okay.
points.
You
I
win.
win.
Yay for Jiju.
That was it. I hope that was fun. Ek to I don't know kitna edit hoga because we were just constantly laughing and screen freeze ho raha tha and things were freezing. So we really don't know how much is possible. But this was fun. And both of them don't know as much as I thought that they know me. So anyways, please hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. This was my absolute first personal video. I'm so uncomfortable doing personal videos, but this was fun. Till I see you next time. Bye bye.